Number 1. Can you call me at 5? It's nice to meet you. What are you thinking about? How are you doing? I like football, basketball, tennis, and golf. I like work, get home and hate it. Do you want the blue one or the black one? Is his name Matthew or Michael? I need to tattoo you, black and white. Let's go for walk. I can do it. You can do it. We can do it. I'm leaving on Monday or Tuesday. Can I come in? Yes, come on in. The door is open. She is single and she's so happy. I am married and I'm miserable. Pop music, good book. He is out. Do it. Did you? I don't know.